Welcome to another episode of Morning Guitar Videos in My Pajamas. I just bought one of those bullet Telecasters. It's pretty sweet, but this damn cor-tek three-way switch is flaky. Like here I'm in the bridge position, and when I manipulate the switch, I have problems. I don't think the problem is coming from inside of here. I think that if you look at all these lugs, they're actually riveted onto this printed circuit board. I'm actually going to try to put a little bit of liquid flux and solder on this side of this PCB right at this joint, you know, not on the rivet, but where the lug is, and hopefully some solder will actually bond the lug to the solder pad that it's riveted to. So this problem, this is the wire that goes to my volume pot, and when I move it around ever so slightly, the switch cuts in and cuts out. It does it in all three positions. So this fix would only address this issue. If this is an old switch, this very well could be worn out on the inside, but this thing is brand new, so I'm gonna give it a shot. All right, I'm gonna start off by getting rid of this wire. I'm not even gonna try to let that complicate things. Then I'm going to use some liquid flux here in this joint to try to convince the solder to go in between the lug that's riveted to the pad. I don't even know if this is gonna work or not. All right. What the heck. I'm going to put some more flux in both of those rivets. And I'm going to throw some solder into that hole too. See what happens. Since these two terminals are jumped, maybe it could be that one too. I don't know. Reattach this wire. Actually. So, I don't know if you can see it or not, but the solder didn't even go through the rivet. It's still empty in there. Let me reattach the wire and see if this problem went away. Yep, problem's still there. All right, I'm gonna do all these and see if that helps anything. All right, so it works now. All positions, same volume. I'm gonna kind of show you what I did here, over there where it's visible. Okay, so you need flux, liquid flux. Kessler 197 is what you should buy. Solder. Don't buy lead-free. Buy the leaded stuff. Lead-free solder is difficult to work with and get good quality work out of. But anyways, what I did on those two lugs right there was I put a little bit of liquid flux on the riveted on lug and the solder pad, and then I put a little bit of solder there to join the assembly. What ended up happening is I put too much solder and it actually bridged the case of the switch to the terminal. So what I had to do is I had to go in there with some desoldering wick or wicking desoldering braid, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna put a little bit of flux on here so that the solder sticks to the desoldering wick, and I had to remove the solder that was bridging the case of the switch to the terminal using this. If you don't have this, don't worry, you can just use a piece of stripped wire, and you'd use the strands of the wire to draw the solder away from the joint where you don't want the solder. But yeah, I figured the switch wasn't worn out or defective. It was brand new. Again, if you have an old switch, this might not do anything for you. But again, this did the trick. After filming that video repairing that Squier guitar, I pulled out an older cor-tek switch that I had in my parts bin, and the lugs are riveted onto the printed circuit board on this switch too, but here you can actually see that cor-tek has soldered those lugs to the solder pads. So I don't know, maybe Fender or Squier is buying cheaper switches, buying a version from cor-tek where they don't actually solder this joint. Or this just could be some production variants from parts from cor-tek. I don't know. These aren't bad switches. I made the video because these last quite a long time. I doubt they sound any different than the more expensive switches. And I don't know, these seem to be in more guitars than any. It's a pretty easy fix. You don't got to spend any money going to, you know, some guitar repair guy. If you got a soldering iron and a little bit of will, you can make